Hello YouTubers, hello everyone. Can you come closer a little bit? I just want to show the really close up of my new thing. This thing here, I broke. It was broken from here. Is it sharp? Yeah, I broke this portion of the body, and I just decided to flip it over, put the aluminum tube like before, but I just made a hole and used the thing which goes through that hole from the landing gear and added extra goop here and on the bottom and on the back. Is it sharp? Yeah, on the back I want to show here that I didn't solder like last time. I just put the pins in and use the tape. It's much easier and I think better method. And here I added the piece of bamboo because it holds better. Put a little bit glue, put extra tape here, added a little bit what's that stick? Toothpick. Thank you. Toothpick there to accommodate the bigger canopy. I call it a cabin, but it's a canopy. So it's pretty nice. I wouldn't do 3D with it, but I like it a lot. So it's not only that, right? I want to show that it's still, even with this, all changes with goop, glue, and everything added. And this battery I added even goop glue because I like it so much. It's so sturdy and nice with everything, and with this cabin it's still 72.2 grams. So that's it. I bought these two 30 millimeters brushless for my another project, which I wanna make a German fighter style Nerflegal hotted, but that's another story. I want to try this bad boy. So it actually opens like this, right? Comes with the instructions, and instructions are really small. It's extra small. Just make sure that record it slowly and nice. And then this side slowly and nice, because I had to use this guy here. I'm getting old, but it's not that problem. Problem is really tiny prints. You get these extra reflective things. I already tried it. Luckily I don't need them. It was working with my helicopter, which was my intention. The main thing, it comes with the 4 AA batteries, which is perfect. And one of the most satisfying thing is removing this thing here, right? When you scratch it and when you peel it off. Come on. I like that feel. Nobody touched that LCD but me now. It's real good. So testing, see, it's a kind of half circle over there. You can record over there if you want.
System idle.
Okay, system idle.
System idle.
Okay, and the thing is, I wanted to measure, so ideally you should put one of these strips here, these strips here where you measure. It says 5 centimeters till 500, so it's a 50 centimeters, 500 millimeters. So 2, 4, like this, almost 2 feet. 2 feet it would be 60, so it should measure from 50. You test it and you measure it basically, right? And then it goes into memory. Goes at minimum, maximum, and final. Maximum, minimum, and final. Yeah, I tried it, it was working. Let's see now how it's gonna work. I don't know how we're gonna do it, but let's try. Hold mode. Okay. Let's put this, pick the battery, bigger battery here, 300 milliamps. So this guy is even touching the floor here, like it's supposed to be. Like a real helicopter, right? And it's perfectly balanced, see? Okay, let's try it. Do the dance. We're gonna put the longer toothpicks which hold this nice canopy. Oh, that's upside down. Okay, 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 okay. This is very good stuff, right? You pinpoint it here and it holds perfectly. See? I think it's very, very nice. Okay, now I'm gonna do it like this. I'm gonna put it here. It's gonna come above. I'm gonna try to record while I'm hovering. So just maybe, yeah, come from this side. No, you stay here. You stay here. Let's see the test. It's gonna be kind of hard. But let's do this first. Normal mode. I'm gonna put it like into this, like this. Yeah. What does it say? 6,300. Okay, let's see. I'm here. It's off now. Record here, memory. 12,000, 4,000. That's something wrong. Let's do it one more time. It's kind of hard because it's moving. You know what? I'm gonna sit down and you're gonna be on top of me. I'm not gonna be flying. And I'm gonna hold it like this. Yeah, that's a deal. And then you can record everything from top, right? You can record everything. I'm gonna do, you measure. Can you come closer? Yeah. See, I'm gonna go like this. This is minimum. Minimum, which works. That works. Okay? That's what we want. So test. 7,670. Nothing. 7,600. 7,600. Let's do this. That's halfway. 33,200. 4,390. 8,700. 8,600. 8,600. Let's go a little bit higher. That's flying. That's flying speed. 8,700. 7,300. That's minimum. $7,300. Huh. That's not okay. It shouldn't be the same. Let's check this one. $2,000. No. Maybe 1,500. Oh, now it's spinning. Now it's spinning. Ooh. 33. 40,000. No, it's way off. 6,500. 7,000. Okay, let's see the 0 point in the middle. 8,500. Let's see the flying. 8,800. That's about right. 8,700. And the maximum. That's the maximum pitch. And revolutions go down. Pitch goes down. Revolutions goes up. That's about right. 8,500. That's again 0 pitch, 8,300. And about that's the lowest one, lowest revolution. 6,000, 7,700. 7,000, around 7,000. See, it's cutting off. No, has to be well. That's the lowest number. 6,900, almost 7,000. 8,000. Good. Can you look at this one? Wow, 33,000. 35,000. Now less, 11,000. If I move here, and it's going to 40,000. That's very nice. Hold mode. And you can clearly see that in the 0 pitch as it's straight. That's 0, that's down, that's 0. It's very nice. For the end, just gonna fly it some more. That's everything. Just for the end, I'm gonna do some flying, and that's it. Oh, I don't like that. kind of too close to this vase. I don't like that. Okay, normal mode. Oh, I put the throttle cut. Throttle cut, okay. See, throttle cut. Works better than the hold. Okay. Now. Very stable. Very docile and stable. So that's about 8,000 RPMs. 8,000 RPMs if you ask this tachometer. That's my richness, it's not the helicopter itself. Helicopter is flying. Helicopter is flying perfect. I like that sound. And when it says shh. Obviously I need more space. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired. Let's see what the blue mode is doing now. And battery. Not bad. I like it. I wouldn't touch it. I think everything is fine now. Actually, from this side is better. Yeah. It looks good. I wouldn't touch it. I broke it enough. I think it's just nice looking. Helicopter. Thanks for watching and bye bye.